Where you from? I know you.
Jamaican.
I can tell where you talk. I was in the military. I catch it on the voice.
Yeah. I need a better knife.
No, not that one, no.
I need one to actually open up.
Hey, Javante, the other one, bro. Your personal.
It's 3 feet, right?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I do. Feet. Make sure it's 3 feet. 3 feet. See that? 3 feet on the money. On this side, 3 feet on the money on that side.